Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that your Hyperx headset explicitly supports Bluetooth and has enough battery. Otherwise, wired or wireless dongle modes won't work. Once confirmed, open Windows Settings, choose Bluetooth and Devices, and toggle Bluetooth on so the PC can scan. Next, press and hold the headset's pairing button until its LED flashes. This tells the headset to broadcast a Bluetooth signal. Make sure no other device is actively paired to the headset. If so, disconnect it so the PC can discover and pair cleanly. Now, on your PC, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. Windows will search for available devices. When you see the Hyperx model name appear, select it to start pairing. Accept any prompts that request permission to pair. Once connected, navigate to Sound Settings and choose the Hyperx headset as both the default playback and communications device so audio and mic route correctly. If Windows installs drivers automatically, allow it to finish. This ensures proper profile support, like A2DP for audio and Finish by testing audio playback and the microphone using settings or a simple call. This verifies both output and input profiles are active. If you experience dropouts, low quality or no mic, make sure your PC's Bluetooth drivers are current and check Hyperx firmware via the manufacturer app. Older drivers or firmware often cause profile mismatches. If issues persist, remove the headset from paired devices, reboot both PC and headset, then repair. That reset usually resolves stubborn connection or profile negotiation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.